Everyone, it's Brock Cannon here. I'm the founder of Kensho Ice Bath and Breathwork Studios, and I'm a certified Wim Hof Method instructor since 2020. I wanted to chat today about just a few ways that we can deepen our breathwork practice. I know from experience that it's very easy to kind of get into a monotonous routine, to kind of do the same thing every day, whether that's an app or just you're breathing in your bed. When you wake up, it can kind of become the same thing, and oftentimes time passes, years go by, and you realize that you haven't really deepened or improved with your practice. So 3 things that have helped me over the years just to keep it interesting, keep it fun, and to get better and better at the practice is, number 1, just to try different types of breath work. Try doing shamanic breathing if you've never tried that, or try breath of fire if you've never done that. Just branching out into different modalities, and you can literally go on YouTube or get your favorite app and just try different styles of breathing, different modalities, and just see how that feels in your body and test it out. Number 2, try breathing to different types of music. If you usually breathe to electronic trance music, for example, try breathing to reggae. See how it feels and just have fun with it, and make a playlist and have a blast with that. And number 3, mix it up and breathe in different places. You could go to the beach if you're near a beach, or go to a lake, or go out in the forest. Set something up in nature where you can really immerse yourself and just go out and really enjoy it. If you're in a cold place, make yourself an igloo or something. Go out in your igloo and mix it up and have fun. But really just expanding your horizons every single week and being committed to your practice is how you're going to deepen your practice more than anything else. So go have fun with it. For more tips, for more info, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you guys for watching. Have an amazing day.